No one tells you the most stressful part of a cleaning business, and it's not what you think. Believe it or not, the weather messes up our schedule, and let me tell you why. Most of our jobs are block paving like the one you see here. After we get it looking great, we need to come back to re-sand the joints. But to re-sand the joints, the surface needs to be completely dry. And unless you don't open your windows, you'd know it hasn't stopped raining. So we can clean driveways in the rain. But what's that led to is a backlog of jobs waiting to be re-sanded. Now, some of our Sundays are spent re-sanding, which isn't a problem, but it's definitely not ideal. Sometimes running a business means dealing with things that are completely out of your control. All you can do is do your best to work around them.